I will explain how we transfer data from accounting systems directly to Power BI reports. In this example, we will take the data of several companies with their accounting in 11 accounting, and we'll transfer them to Power BI. First of all, we will generate an Excel Online file that will automatically be used by Power BI, so we just need to hit refresh here in the Power BI report to be able to get the new data. So here we can see a group of company with 3 companies. For each company, we can easily filter its own data to analyze its revenues and expenses, but also all the other aspects related to the financial position of the company. And so, for instance, here, if we want to filter on this sample company, we can see that we have 2.4 million revenue, 2.1 million expense in purchases. And if we just compare, for instance, the revenue for 2024 for this company to the revenue that are in the accounting software, we see that it's perfectly matching. We can even drill down to see, okay, what are all the transactions that were recorded for this company for this specific account. And we can also trace back, for instance, how the currency translation was made, because what we will see is that the other companies, the bookkeeping is made in euro, while for this sample company, the bookkeeping is made in US dollars. So if ever we want to trace back the different amounts in the accounting software, we will need to refer to the base amount and not to the group amount, which is in US dollars. And in the same way, if ever I want to see all the expenses and revenue for company 3 here, I can just hit show data point, and I will see all the transactions that were recorded for this company in 2024.